Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S80 and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started you will want to open up your settings. From here scroll down to storage, select your SD card and tap on the three dots and choose storage settings where you will find format option. Click on it and this will provide you with info that performing this will remove basically everything from the card, and if there's anything on that card that you like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. Now assuming you have already done so or you simply don't want to, then you can click on format and this will begin the process, which takes only a couple of seconds, at which point once it's finished as it is right now, the card is immediately ready to be used once more. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.